Welcome to the Random Forex Trader 2022 and beyond, episode 29. Let's go to the charts. Quite a few things have happened since the last episode. We added in the last episode 2 additional currency pairs, GBP JPY, which is the most moving, the highest ATR pair, and AUD NZD, which is the lowest average true range ATR or moving pair.
Now, after watching this random Forex trading series, I hope you understand that if manual trading can be profitable randomly, imagine getting access to an automated trading system which sends profitable trades to your account daily, all on autopilot. If you are ready to stop trading manually and automate your Forex profits even as a prop firm trader, check the link in the description area below or simply visit Forexbitscom for full details. Now, back to the video.
And we were already trading GBP USD. So let's look at the stats. We have 3 open trades right now, 1 buy trade on GBP JPY and 2 trades on AUD NZD. We have a buy and a sell, and I would expect that. So listen to this. If you look at the AUD NZD trades, remember I told you, and we looked in the last episode, that AUD NZD is the slowest moving pair of the 28 that you would normally trade, all of the standard currency pairs and currency crosses. So we're at a $29 loss and a $27 loss. So those are balancing each other out. And then we're at a $50, I shouldn't say loss. It's not a loss. We're in drawdown. We're in a $27 and a $29 drawdown, and on the GBP JPY trade, we're at a $51 drawdown. We're going to let the system figure that out. However, let's go look at the account history. We actually have 4 trades here that have closed today. So we had a GBP USD that took a loss of $35.50. It must have hit the stop loss and the trailing stops in that direction. But then GBP USD, the sell trade, went into a $62 profit. The GBP JPY sell trade went into a $42 profit, and GBP JPY sell trade, another one, $14.85 profit. So we're well above, we are well into profit, $1,157 on this account. And we're really just letting the automation go. I think if I were going to trade this consistently, and it's only been a couple days, I probably would not trade this slow pair, which is AUD NZD. However, you can see we do get much more profit, much more activity if we are running this time of day hedging EA or robot on each of these 3 pairs. A suggestion to you is this. Obviously, GBP JPY is the most moving pair currently, and you can see we closed out at some profit, a small loss. Overall, overall 0 net losses. We're totally in profit here. And this is all completely automated. But what I would do is I would start to I would analyze other pairs, look for pairs that are moving, good solid average true range or movement per day, and just juggle them from there. On the other side of it, something we may do is we may get rid of all 3 that we are in right now and then just do this particular hedging robot on, let's say, something like gold or US 30 or GER 30. Something that moves and you can make a lot more money on. Now, one thing I did notice, and I'm not 100% sure why, but if you heard the profits, if we go back over to the history, remember I said we got a $14, a $42, a $62. Something's not making sense there to me, because I did tell the system, and again, I'm going to have to sit back and think about it. I probably won't do it here in this episode, but I've said target profit amount is $25. Now, it's not doing that. The robot's not doing that. So what this could mean is it could mean that really what I'm doing is asking the system to take a target profit of 25 overall on both trades, both the buy and the sell. So that could be a problem. I may also have some of these trailing stops and trailing stepping set incorrectly. I may really just get rid of those because I'm telling the system, hey, I have a target profit amount. But I believe it may be looking at both trades as a basket. So if one's up $25 and another one's down $25, maybe the system's not going to take that profit because really it's a break even. This may be looking for an overall profit. So I'll pull out the manual, take a look at this. This is something I'll think about over the weekend here because it is the end of the week. In fact, the market closes in just about 15 minutes here. So I'll take a look at that. One thing it makes me think of that I mentioned in the last episode is I've been running robots and automation for many, many years, 3+ years for me, and I mean a lot of it. I own probably 70 or 80 different robots. I've had some programmed for myself. So this is what I do. This isn't just some sort of test where I bought a robot and hey, we'll see how it works. I know how these robots work, and I'm going to tell you, you can spend a lot of time on what's called back testing, buying historical data, running this through the strategy tester inside what we're looking at here, right inside MT4. Or you can do what I do and I forward test. I let it run, I let it roll, I tweak it every couple days. And as I was starting this entire paragraph here, the point is you'll find that automation and even manual trading, but automation works so much better if you're not asking for so much from the market. If you're asking for a few pips, 2 pips, 5 pips, 10 pips, if you're not asking for a lot of money per trade, I think that's the best way to do it, because if you're asking for a lot, sometimes it can go a lot against you and you'll be in drawdown. Now, in the end, if we get any major drawdowns, I'm not going to manually recover it. I'm going to let the system take the loss, hit the stop loss if that's what's going to do. And what we want to do is we want to look at this as being either overall profitable, which we are up to this point, we're overall profitable, or we're not. But right now we are overall profitable, even though if you look in the account history, the system took just 1 or 2 losses per se, but that loss was not off of our original balance. That was off of the profit that we're making. So I personally, I don't call that a loss. That's the, whatever money I put in and the money I make above that, if I lose the money that I'm making above that, to me, that's not a loss. I still have my main balance. In this particular case, we started an account with $10,000. And as you can see, we're up $1,157 so far. And this is the random trader. Even though I'm running a robot, you got to admit that trade is getting randomly put on there during the day at a particular time. It balances the buy and sell on each of these. And as you can see here in the settings, I've said max trades open is 2, and that's 2 per currency pair. So that's why at some point we had 6, but now we just have 3 left. We're waiting for those to profit or take a loss. So we're coming into the weekend. We'll leave it as it is. We'll maybe get a little bit more aggressive next week in the upcoming episodes. That's it for this episode. I'll see you in the next video.
If you found this video of value, please by all means click the like icon and subscribe to be notified of future videos designed to help you get profitable in the Forex market. If you would like to never manually trade ever again, I highly recommend you get access to all of my profitable trades that can be sent directly to your MT4 account daily. Simply visit Forexbitscom and learn all about this new and unique service. That's all for this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now. Thanks for watching this episode of the Random Forex Trade series. Be sure to subscribe and stay up to date on the Forex Random Trader series success. Leave a comment and like below to be entered to win the copy trade service free for life. Visit Forexbitscom for more. I'll see you in the next episode.